and I'm gonna have a link somewhere take you to how to rank on Google book. So the book is free, so all you have to do is download the link. Go to this link. I think I always can just talk and say how do you do the SEO, but I have to show you how to do the SEO because I have a website ranking my blog on the first page of Google, and I did it for free. So I want to show you my recommendation websites. But as you can see, here's my blog ranking the first page of Google for the keyword how to make money with 20 clickbait step by step in 2019 blog. And this is my blog. This is my article. Book, ebook, or how I rate that I show you guys how to rate. Also, this video got more to it, so just watch. So here we are. This should show you how to rank on Google. I like to use this called Keyword Finder. That's KW Finder, and it's a keyword finder, and it show you exactly how to rank and if it's possible. So if you type in the keyword make money, it shows you 41 out of 100, meaning it's possible to rank. And the lower the number, the easier it is to rank for this keyword. So if you check out Make Money Online, it's 36 out of 100, so it's easy to rank for it. And over here, it shows you the pages that's already ranking for that keyword. And the monthly search volume, which is like 164,000 people searching for that each month. The cost per click, pay per click. And so if you want to check out Keyword Finder, this is exactly the same website that I use. I use the ClickBank. That's how I ranked on Google. I use that to rank. That's the website. So I'll leave a link to, well, you already saw the link from that ebook, where they show you some more ways to rank on Google. It's free. Also, this is free. You get 5 searches each month. If you want to upgrade, you can. But this is a free program to use. Absolutely free. No credit card required. It's called KW Finder, Keyword Finder.